Has this ever happened to you? You bump into the table and you fracture your toe. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Or you try to move the table and you break your back trying to lift it. That's tiring. Oof. Oh well.
There's gotta be a better way. Introducing the HOMCOM folding table. This table is such a versatile table. You get a lot of space to eat, to dine, to do whatever. But after you're done, the best part about this, you can put it away. And there you go. So that folds on the one side and also folds on the other side as well. Perfect. And it's also easy to move. It comes with two wheels, so you can kind of slide it and just put it out of the way, and no more hurt pinky toes. So not only that, it also has storage underneath. When you open the drawer, there's a covered storage on this side as well as on the other side of the leaf. The wheels on both sides, they come with a lock, so you can put it down for locking and so the wheels don't move. But being paranoid, we put some velcros underneath the table just to hold it in place, because we have a floorboard and sometimes it might slip. And we don't have a carpet, so if you have carpet, then it'll be okay. So you can lock. And the one thing to notice is the corners are really sharp, so we put some corner guards for it. So if you have kids, I would highly recommend getting some corner guards so you don't bump into them. And that's pretty much it. Such a nice table. It's been convenient and easy to move around and keep it out of the way. And when you need to use it, you can open it up. And if you only want to use one side, you can definitely just use the one side and put it back. So HOMCOM also has two other models. One comes with a drawer but no wheels, and the other one has no wheels at all, but it can be folded as well.